How to use macros in Zoho CRM. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to your preferred web browser. On your browser, navigate to the Zoho CRM website. Make sure that you are logged in with your account first. Now, in order to use macros, you need to go to the lead section. Here in this home screen at the left hand side, you can see different menu options. Now you will be taken to the leads page. If you select multiple leads over here at the top left, you'll see the option of run macro. Tap on this. Now you'll see the options to create macro. So tap on this option again. From here you can create macro. You can provide the name for your macro, provide the description, select the actions. After you select all these details, tap on this create button in the top right. The macro has been created successfully. Now you can easily use this macro again. If you want to edit the details of this macro, you can simply tap on the macro you have just created. And here you can see the edit option at the top right. You can edit the details in this macro. So that's it. That's how we can easily create and use macros in Zoho CRM. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.